Hi guys, it's Sophie. Welcome back to our channel. So I'm back today with another makeup tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this blue halo eye. And yeah, I just want to say a huge thank you to everybody who joined us on our last live stream. We're going to be trying to do more lives more often. It was super fun just chatting with you guys, and we love just interacting with you guys. You guys are like our friends. But enough of that rambling. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids, and I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, and I did set it with some translucent powder. And for today's palette, first thing I'm going in with is my Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions Palette. And if you guys are into blue eyeshadows, this palette is really the best eyeshadow that I've ever used when it comes to blue eyeshadows. It's really hard to get like a really pigmented palette that has a lot of really beautiful blue shades. So the first thing that I'm doing is picking up the light blue shade, and I'm just popping this into my crease and kind of rounding out that outer corner. And I like to concentrate the product more in the center of the crease, and then with whatever's left over on the brush, just kind of do circular motions and blend it upward. And then I'm grabbing this small angled brush from Morphe, and I'm going into the darker blue shade in the palette, and I'm just going to start to carve my crease. And as you can see, I'm going above my natural crease line. When I first started doing looks, I would apply it a lot lower, but I just like for when my eye to be open to still see some of the lid color, so I like to draw it above my natural crease, and then with a small tapered brush just going in left and right motions, just diffusing this line. And if you guys need a little bit of guidance on where to draw that line, you can draw it with your eye open and just kind of stick it right in between, right above where your crease is with your eye open, and that really helped me at first when I was beginning. And then I grabbed this clay pot liner by Tarte, and it's in the shade Unicorn Kisses. It's a really nice light blue shade, and I love using the Tarte liners, the clay pot liners, to carve the lid. And then I'm grabbing my flat brush and this really pretty light metallic blue shade, and I'm just popping this all over the lid. And as you can see, this shade is absolutely stunning. It's super pigmented, and it has like little silver flecks in it that are just absolutely gorgeous. And then I'm grabbing my pencil brush and the darker blue shade, and I'm just really patting that onto the inner and outer corner, just getting that pigment and just laying it down. And I did kind of make it go inward on the inner half. If you guys can tell, it's kind of like creating a V shape. And with a smaller tapered brush, I just kind of feathered over that just to diffuse it very lightly. And then for lashes, I applied my Shop Sophie Bella Jamaica lashes. We have a 4th of July sale currently active on our site, 20% off. Just check out the description box. I'll leave the code down below. For my waterline, I popped in my Seymour Love Letters by The Balm. And then for my lower lash line, I'm grabbing this lime green transition shade from the palette, and then going in with that darker blue shade, and then merging the two together. And then going in with my Too Faced Damn Girl mascara and just coating my lower lashes. And for our inner corner, I kind of wanted to do a lime green inner corner. I feel like that's a really big trend right now. So I went in with my Huda Beauty Neon Obsessions Palette, and I just popped that onto my inner corner, which you guys will see in the very next clip. And I went in with a small tapered brush. And I just find that using small tapered brush for the inner corner is just the easiest way to apply a color in a blended way. But yeah, I really like what the lime green did to the look. It kind of gave it more of an artistic look. And then with this really small lip brush, I picked up the lime green shimmery shade, and I just decided to put that in the inner corner just to give it a little bit more dimension. And then I just grabbed my bar soap and ran it through my brow. And this is the finished look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your constant support, for all of your comments. As usual, please leave some recommendations in the comment section down below. And also, if you guys want to be entered for monthly giveaways, then just go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done down below. And unfortunately, our giveaway is US only right now, so only please enter if you're in the US. But we definitely plan on making it international as soon as we can, but for now it's just what we have to do. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!